A lot of cash advance apps reject users because they rely on direct deposit verification to confirm income, and without it, the system flags the account as unverified. By the end of this, you'll know how people still qualify for cash advances without direct deposit, and what alternative verification methods actually work in 2026. First option is linking a bank account with consistent activity instead of payroll deposits. Some cash advance apps don't require direct deposit specifically, but they do require proof of regular money flowing in. This can include freelance payments, gig work deposits, or recurring transfers. Once you connect your bank, the app scans transaction history to estimate income stability. Second option is using apps that verify income through bank data instead of employer payroll systems. These apps rely on open banking connections that analyze spending and deposits over time. If your account shows steady deposits, even from non-employers, it can still pass eligibility checks. The key here is consistency, not the source of income. Third option is using payroll providers or gig platforms that offer internal verification. Some gig apps and contractor platforms generate earnings summaries that can be used as proof of income. Uploading those statements can sometimes replace direct deposit requirements when applying for advances. If none of those options work, there's a fallback method people use: prepaid debit cards with deposit routing. Some cash advance services allow you to link supported debit cards that receive deposits from multiple sources. This doesn't fully replace income verification, but it can help complete account setup in certain apps. Another important step is avoiding mismatched account details. Even if you don't have direct deposit, your name, bank account, and app profile must match exactly. Any mismatch can trigger an automatic rejection before income is even reviewed. Also check whether the app you're using actually requires direct deposit or just recommends it. Some services label it as required when it's actually optional, but affects advance limits or approval speed. To wrap it up, getting a cash advance without direct deposit usually comes down to proving income through bank activity, using alternative verification like gig platforms, or choosing apps that accept broader income sources. Start by linking your bank account, make sure your deposits are consistent, and then apply through apps that use transaction-based verification instead of payroll-only systems. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more simple breakdowns of cash apps, banking fixes, and instant advance options.